Kumusta mga kaberdea and property lovers? Welcome back sa aming channel kung saan ang mga reaksyon ay totoo, professional at minsan ay may halong ay grabe, gusto ko to moments. By the way, I'm Benji Alipit. I'm a real estate broker and an entrepreneur, and today we will react to a simple but beautiful house in BF Homes Parañaque. And let's see kung sulit ba ang presyo nito, okay ba ang location, at syempre kung pasado ba sa standard ng isang buyer or ng broker, and especially sa mga viewers, ang bahay na ito. And pwede rin po kayo mag-comment para malaman namin kung ano yung mga nagustuhan ninyo at hindi nagustuhan para sa bahay na ito. So if you are somebody who are enjoying watching this kind of houses, mga magagandang bahay katulad ng mga nire-review namin, and you also want investment or mahilig ka mag-invest, ito ang channel na para sa'yo. And syempre, before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kang updated sa mga property reviews na ami pang gagawin in the future. So, hindi lang basta tingin, kundi may insight din itong mga channel na to. So, ready ka na ba? So, tara, simulan na natin to. This is an AI house, modern smart home in BF Homes Parañaque. So it's a good thing na meron siyang solar panel that can help us to lower down our electricity bill. So napaka-importante niyan. So this house is so simple. So makita natin, no, open concept siya. From the time you enter the house, makita natin dito. Yan. So this is the dining. This is the living, the dining, and the kitchen area. So simple. Okay. So by the way, most of the appliances here are, if not all, most of the appliances here are from abroad, in Europe, specifically in Europe. So according to the owner, appliances pa lang, it's like worth 8 million na agad. So panalo rin yung mga gamit dito at yung makakabili dito, sulit din talaga. Okay, so let's continue. So makita natin yung ventilation, yung height ng ceiling. Maganda yung height, hindi siya masyadong lower na for a bungalow house, hindi siya maganda. So that's why it's a good thing na tinaasan ng owner yung ceiling. Okay? So, let's continue. So, makikita natin na maganda at pulido yung pagkakagawa. From the countertop to the cabinets. So, according to the owner, and we also tested the most of the appliances like the aircons, TVs, operated by an AI. You just command it by your voice. So, mag-function na yung mga appliances niya. Isa-isang salita ngayon, ang tawag dyan ay Internet of Things. So, yung advantage nito, pagkagaling mo sa trabaho, pagod ka, i-command mo lang si Alexa, then mag-on na sa'yo ang aircon para sa'yo. So, mag-on na yung TV. Kung gusto mo mag-sounds, just say, Alexa, open music. Parang ganun. Okay? Ang ganda ng mga materials na ginamit dito, from the ceiling to the countertop, pati yung mga appliances. Ayan ang selling point itong property or nitong house na to. At the same time, this is a corner lot property. So alam naman natin na kapag corner lot, iba ang value niya, mas mataas talaga siya. And in a subdivision in BF Homes na maganda po talaga ang community. So ito yung bahay na masasabi ko na talagang pinag-isipan. And to add to the good thing of this house, ang owner po nito ay sanay po sa or nag-work sa hotel before. So ang gusto nila yung bahay na ginagawa nila o yung mga gagawin pa is more of like a hotel vibe. Kaya makikita natin later on pati yung comfort room at yung ibang rooms na makikita natin may pagka-hotel vibes. Talagang pulido po yung pagkakagawa. Okay. So, ayan. Facing east. Sabi natin, pag sinabi natin facing east, ayan po, usually yan ang pinag-uunahan sa paghahanap ng bahay when it comes to also to project selling. Pag nag-release ng inventory ang developer, yan po ang unang nauubos, yung facing east and corner lot. Kasi alam naman natin na pag sinabing ang bahay mo ay facing east, ibig sabihin, nandun sumisikat ang araw at nandun yung blessing. And at the same time, may kasamang sa health factor naman, pag ang bahay mo ay sa morning sun, mas lighter yung sisikat na araw sa'yo. Diba? Pag in the morning. So, that's why maraming advantage yung morning sun or yung facing east. So, let's go to the bedrooms. It has 4 bedrooms with toilet and bath and also with air condition. Okay, so this master's room or this master's bedroom has an access to the other room na pag kinolapse mo yung wall nung bedroom 1, pwede mo siyang convert also as master's bedroom. So lalaki yung master's bedroom mo. Kaya ang design niya ay yung hindi talaga sobrang solid yung pagkakagawa sa wall dito. Para just in case gusto mong i-convert yung 2 bedrooms into 1 para lumaki, pwede po. So mas magiging malaki yung bedroom ninyo. So magiging 3 bedrooms na lang siya, hindi na 4 bedrooms. So for now, it's a 4 bedroom house. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kung makikita nyo, yung pagkakalatag ng tiles and yung vanity mirror, hindi pa siya nakakabit kasi hanggat maaari gusto nung owner kapag nabili na fresh yung pagkaka-install ng vanity mirror. Brand new talaga siya. Although meron na talaga siyang naka-ready, i-install na lang. At the time of shooting of this property, hindi pa siya nakakabit. And the reason is yung nabanggit ko. Ayan, this is a fully furnished house. Makita natin. So, ulitin ko lang, no? Most of the, if not all, most of the furnitures are from Europe. Ayan. So, behind that curtain is an access going to the garage. So, ito yung room na pwede i-convert into master's bedroom. Okay, so this glass door has an access also to the lanai and garage. So yeah, ito natin, even the lightings, yung pagkaka-install ng tiles, maganda po, maganda. So that's the cabinet. Kita naman natin, ang ganda rin talaga. So, hindi man kalakihan tong bahay na to, yung pagkakagawa sulit and pulido at pati yung presyo sapat lang para dun sa mga nakakalagay dun sa bahay. And take note nga po pala, the property here, there in BF Parañaque, tumaas na siya ngayon talaga. Some are selling at 60,000, Some are selling at 70,000 per square meter. So, talagang mataas na rin po ang value dito. Dahil sa mga access road na bago and yung mga kailangan mong mga commercial establishment and government agencies, malapit na rin po dito. So, hindi nyo po pagsisihan pag dito po kayo tumira. So, let's go to the third and fourth bedroom. So, ito naman, you can convert it also kung ayaw mo naman i-convert yung one and second room as master's bedroom. This third room can convert also into office or theater room or game room. So, for now, ano muna siya, nilalagyan muna siya ng pet ng owner. Ayan, ano po yan rabbit po ang nandyan. So, malinis naman siya at mabango po itong room na to. Okay, so dito nakakabit na yung vanity mirror. Alam po, isa lang yan na ikabit na yan, just for a sample. So, this is the maid's room, dirty kitchen, na hindi masyadong dirty kasi nakita nyo naman, ang ganda. Diba? Even the stove, high-end pa rin. So, kahit dirty kitchen siya, okay, ulit. Kahit dirty kitchen siya, hindi talaga siya dirty or malinis pa rin talaga siyang tingnan. Pulido pa rin. Even sa exterior of the house, makikita nyo, maayos po talaga yung gumawa or maayos yung owner. Even yung mga placement ng mga air condition, maayos din po talaga. So, very rare in the house na makakita ka ng ramp. Actually, this house is also senior friendly and PWD friendly dahil dito po sa ramp na naisip ng owner na ilagay. So, that's a good thing. Plus factor in the house. So, car garage has an automatic gate or automatic door, which is very convenient. Bago ka pumasok, bubukas na yan. You have a control. So, maganda. Magaling yung naisip ng owner. That's good. So, you can park at least 4 car. Diba? 4 car garage. Even that is SUV or sedan. So, this is the room that I showed a while ago na has an access to the garage and also this door, glass door. Okay, so napag-isipan talaga siya. Ito yung lagayan ng tools. This access going to the dirty kitchen. O, yun. Yan. So, that's it. And I hope you enjoy our reaction video today at nakita po natin ang ating napakagandang AI homes or Internet of Things homes or smart homes na tinatawag. So, siya nga pala, ang lot area ng property nito ay 308 square meter and the lot area and the floor area is 295.3 square meter. Not bad. Para sa isang simple at least 5 members, 4 members na meron kayo sa family nyo, sapat na po ito. You have 308 square meter lot and the floor area of 295.3 square meter. So, it's a good start if you're first time buyer. Okay? And the most important thing is the price. This price at 34 million at the time of we shoot this house, and it may change, but hopefully not kasi pabago-bago ang value ng property. So hopefully mabili nyo na ito as soon as possible para hindi na po kayo abutan ng price increase. So again, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Baka ito na po ang chance ninyo para mapansin ang bahay na ito at kayo po ang makabenta. And if you're a buyer, this is the house for you. Okay? Thank you and goodbye.